the Lady Chiefs, kahit sa EAC, nandoon siya, watching behind the bench.
Start of the third set.
So yan yung sinasabi mo kanina, Mika, na it really affects you, the managers.
Yes. May factor talaga siya na ganyan. Hindi mo siya may iwasan.
Siyempre, ang Arellano may championship history yan. And with this type of lineup, they want to make a deep run.
Shout out to my teammate, Joey Prado from Arellano.
Nakarami rin yun. Jovi Prado.
Sobrang galing mo, Jovi. Nanonood ka ba ngayon?
Huge stamp of approval from Mika Reyes. Padillon. Cross court. Domasig. De Guzman. Garcia. De Guzman na naman. Cross court. Garcia. Dayanan. Padillon. Dayanan. Domasig. De Guzman again. Regalo.
Great defense for both teams. Lahat dito ready sa kanilang mga attacks. Pero medyo na-overcook lang yung defense na yon, kaya nabigyan ng regalo ang Arellano.
Oh, wow.
Serve. You know, Anton, may factor din yung pag tina-target mo yung nasa front row eh. Especially mga outside spikers na nasa harap. Para medyo ma-out of timing sila pag umaatake na.
Ibang klase talaga yung nagagawa nitong rookie setter na si Domasig. Yung mga bigay niya kay Sam talagang mababa at mabilis.
Yes. I think that's her favorite. And hindi lahat ng setters dito sa NCAA, ganun yung nabibigay nila sa outside spikers. And magandang step yon para mag-improve lahat.
Middle attack.
Finally, clean attack for Villena. Ito na siguro yung hinahanap nating connection ni Magnay at ng kanyang mga middle spikers. Well, especially to Magnay.
Sa wakas,
Yes.
nadali rin.
Pera usog. Pwede ko ba sabihin yun?
Domasig. Ayun, low fast na naman.
Pero medyo mababa yun, I think. Ooh. Walang blocker for Arellano. Pagandang target for Razonable. Alam niya na walang nag-block sa gitna eh.
2 serving 4.
Jaja Villena. Domasig. Padillon. Dayanan. Laika keeps it alive. Padillon on the drop.
Oh, she knows. Alam niya na malayo si Villena for defense. A good target. Great timing as well. Pwede na yung kunin ni Magalona pero may slight miscue.
Smart play by Moming Padillon. Oh!
Jennifer Omapas.
Omapas.
Omapas attacking from the right side.
Serving now for the Lady Generals, Jennifer Omapas.
Talagang si Coach Rod sumusubok na ng mga ibang players dito. Jen Omapas playing in her final year.
Who knows, baka siya rin yung maging magic bunot.
Villena and Omapas, 2 graduating players. Dayanan. Domasig to Tudlasan. Ang hirap nun.
I know. Nakita mo yung ikot ni Domasig doon. And perfect set pa. At hindi rin masyadong na-close yung down the line ng EAC. Kaya kitang-kita dito.
Grabe yung balance nitong si Domasig. At saka yung court awareness niya. Alam niya kung saan niya na-ready si Laika eh. Back row. Domasig. Oh wow, naabot pa. What a set.
Oh, it's inside?
Yep.
Yeah. Another attempt for Razonable. And this time, she got the point. Kaya na pa rin nagiging problem ng Arellano. Yung zone 1 na yun. Especially sa back row.
Napasigaw doon si Magalona. Yun yung sinasabi mo kanina na ginagawa mo rin.
Yeah. Tudlasan getting a lot of points here. Alam mo, kung ako rin naman si Domasig, i-take advantage ko na nasa harap pa si Tudlasan. Oh, I was
Arellano leads EAC by 4. As we head to this technical timeout, Aliyah Fideliaga will give us an update on the other side of this break.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Christine San Agustin at ngayon, nandito tayo sa San Beda University para saksihan ang kanilang pep rally para syempre ipakilala at suportahan ang kanilang mga atleta na ready nang sumabak para sa NCAA Season 100. Kaya tara, samahan niyo po ako.
Mga kapuso, nakatutok pa rin kayo sa NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Anton and Mika, hindi nila ito ay ibigay sa atin, kaya kukunin natin ito sa kanila. Yan ang sinabi ni Coach Obet Javier sa Lady Chiefs as he emphasized that they should not underestimate their opponent and take control of the game dahil bilog ang bola and the tide of the game can shift at any time. With this being a must-win match for the Arellano squad, ang paulit-ulit na sinasabi ni Coach Obet ay gusto niyang makita sa kanilang laro na gusto nilang manalo. That's all from courtside. Balik sa inyo, Anton and Mika.
Kanina pa nga natin pinag-uusapan, Anton, di ba? Yung paano mawawala yung complacency. And I like how Coach Obet reminded the girls na kukunin natin. Hindi nila ibibigay yung panalo. So we can really see na pinagtatrabahuhan nila. Especially this set.
So I'm looking at the schedule of Arellano. Ang next game nila is against LPU. So kumbaga, crucial talaga yung next match, and because LPU is also in the hunt for a Final Four spot. So a loss to EAC would be devastating. Kaya kailangan talaga locked in sila.
And kailangan nilang kunin yung kumpiyansa dito sa laro na to going to their next game.
Actually, you know what? A win today will put Arellano at 11 wins. So, hindi na aabot yung LPU. So, bottom line is, kailangan manalo ng Arellano ngayon.
Yes. There was a rotation error here.
Serving up for the Lady Chiefs, Laika Tudlasan.
Tudlasan with 9 attacks already.
So if Arellano goes on to win this match, kalahati ng mga teams in the NCAA will have been eliminated already. So that's what is at stake today.
A very important game din to for Arellano.
Tudlasan.
Ooh. Oh, what happened?
Net toss.
Yeah. Villena touched the net. Sayang, kasi nakikita na natin yung adjustment ni Magnayi at ang kanilang mga middle spikers this set. Nakakuha na sila ng points, may connection na, pero may errors pa din from time to time.
Tomasig. Padillon. Ayan na naman yung palo ni Moming na nakasilip na.
Pero nandyan pa rin si Domasig. Alam mo, very helpful din talaga yung mga setters na may option na umatake.
11,
Kasi
serving 6.
kahit 2 spikers lang in front, parang tatlo na rin yung babantayan mo.
Sino yung mga prominent setters na lefty?
Lefty? Let's see.
I'm thinking Jasmine Abor.
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
Pumapalo din yon. Because like, and hindi lang lefty na pumapalo, yung may katangkaran rin compared
She
to
can
the
block
other
as
setters.
well.
Yeah.
Oo nga,
So,
matangkad nga siya.
So Tomasig is definitely somebody that they can build on.
Yes, actually. And as a rookie, marami pa siyang may experience sa mga laban.
Villena.
Another point for Villena. A good set from Magnayi. Ngayon, nakikita na natin na merong variation yung attack si Villena. Medyo comfortable na rin siguro siya sa set si Magnayi.
3-point lead for Arellano. Oh! Muntik na. Tudlasan.
Oh, it was out. Good target for Tudlasan. Medyo lumagpasan ng konti.
9 serving 11.
Okay, EAC just down by 2.
Alam mo, Anton, kapag nakadikit sila dito, like hindi nila napalayo talaga yung score,
Yeah.
I think magkakaroon sila ng magandang chance to get this set. But let's see this spike from Padillon.
And for the first time, Mika, tinawag ni Coach Obet si Catherine Domasig. So Coach Obet, a little bit concerned. Nakatayo siya. He's standing
Actually,
close to the players right now.
nakapamayawang si Coach.
Kasi hindi ganito kadikit yung laban kanina eh.
Yes, from the previous sets.
And there you go, Moming Padillon.
Narinig tayo ni Moming. Hindi daw makakadikit yung EAC, sabi niya. And I think nakatulong din talaga yung connection ni Magnayi at ng kanyang mga middle spikers kasi hindi na rin masyado na-establish yung blocks ng Arellano. Alam nila, nababantayan na rin nila yung mga middle spikers.
Mapas gets the point.
A good attack by Omapas.
Dumidikit. Ito, EAC.
Tingin ko, Anton, nag-enjoy na rin yung EAC this time.
Yeah, why not? Nothing to lose, sabi nga nila. Kumbaga, patapos na yung season 100, couple of games to go. Why not enjoy? Domasig. Padillon on the drop. Oh, chance ball given up. Padillon.
Great block from the EAC here. Medyo na out of position lang dito si Padillon, but
11 serving 13.
Okay naman yung binalak niya kasi bukas na bukas eh.
actually, hindi pala siya na-block. Parang mali lang din talaga yung position niya, targeting the cross-court.
Domasig. Padillon. Razonable. And Razonable gets the point.
Razonable targeting that zone 1. Again, kanina pa nagkaka-problem yung Arellano for that. And I think it's Razonable's second point para dito sa back row attack.
Ano plano nyo? Patagalin yung laro? Kinatatabaran nyo na lahat eh. Lalo ka na, nawawala yung setting mo eh. Kung ano mga pinagagawa mo sa bola eh. Nahihirapan yung Spiker pumalo kasi nga hindi maayos yung set mo. Paano makakapalo na matino yan?
May isang patay. You see, Anton, napansin nga natin kanina na si Coach Obet na napapansin niya yung setter, si Domasig, medyo nag-iiba na yung set, kumbaga. Kaya siguro nag-remind lang ulit na, okay, time out ko muna to. Remind ko lang yung girls na wag natin patagalin tong laro na to.
Siyempre, kailangan as they move closer to the Final Four, mas sharp na itong
Yes,
mga...
of course. Now is not the time to be complacent.
Tignan natin kung magigising itong Lady Chiefs. At mas didiin dito sa ating laro. Domasig to tira-tira. Domasig.
Second attempt by tira-tira. Actually, sobrang advantage niya sa play na yon. Na nakikita rin ni Domasig na hindi siya maabot ng blockers ng EAC. Kaya binibigay niya ito ng binibigay.
Domasig, back set. De Guzman. Hinabol pa ni Garcia. Good effort. Padillon. Garcia gets the ball in the air. And Dayanan goes up, but the ball goes out.
It was actually a good attempt. Yung quick tip na yon. Pero lumabas lang.
Serving 12.
Villena, too strong. And Arellano will head into this technical timeout with a 16-12 lead.
What is up mga ka-NCAA? Ako po si Christine San Agustin. Kahit anong bagyo ay susuungin para lang mabisita ang mga atleta natin ngayong araw. Nandito tayo sa University of Perpetual Health System Data para syempre suportahan ng ating mga atleta at panoorin ang kanilang pep rally. Stage is ready. Let's give it up for our athletes.
Ganda ng mga performances, actually. Nagulat ako, matagal na nilang pinapagandaan to and perfect naman lahat.
Saan ka ba mas kinaba?
A Season 100 cheerleading competition hosted, of course, by our very own Martin Javier, Glycel Galpo, and Lexi Gonzalez. Yan. Good luck, Martin, Glycel, and Lexi. They will be at the Mall of Asia Arena
Attack there.
to bring you the action.
Are you gonna watch tomorrow, Anton? Live?
Unfortunately, I have work to do, so I will probably catch it via live stream.
Same.
Yan ang kagandahan ng teknolohiya ngayon. And of course, the accessibility of the NCAA.
Net touch.
Oh, Arellano committing errors now.
Serving now for EAC.
At this time, dapat medyo napapolish na lang yung galaw. Siguro may konting gigil din. Kasi kumbaga, free ball na rin yun eh.
Oh, wow.
Servicing.
Villena finding the corner on that serve.
Na-imagine ko na yung Nakikita ko na yung expression ni Coach
14,
Obet dito.
serving 17.
Parang girls.
Domasig to tira-tira. Oh, wow. Villena had to get down for that dig. Padillon. Dayanan. Domasig tossing it up.
Ball out.
De Guzman trying to put that ball on the corner. Pero wala rin din siya sa posisyon.
15, serving 17.
Sayang lang na hindi nila na ma-maximize yung mga easy balls na dumadating sa kanila.
Oh, oh wow. Good reaction by Sam. And you see the huge disparity of the total unforced errors. 28 given up by EAC. That's more than a set.
Yes.
Oh, what a pass. Uy!
Oh,
Ganda
good
sana. Yung mga sets ni Domasig pang-anime eh.
yung little hop niya yun eh.
Paulina Guzman.
Ayun lang yung una ko napansin sa kanya eh.
Mario
De Guzman.
serving.
Got that score with the help of the net.
3-point lead para sa Arellano. Dayanan. Oh,
Block point.
Sam tira-tira raises the roof. Easy power tip. 4-point lead now for AU.
Gusto ko na Anton yung energy na EAC this time. This set specifically. Pero medyo too late na ngayon sila nag-enjoy talaga. But let's see.
Serving.
Yeah, actually, itong set na to, kaya pa eh.
Kaya ba talaga?
Down by 3, Arellano still needs 6 points. Hey, that's in. That is in.
2 more points.
Ta-timeout ba si Coach Obet kung makapuntos ulit ang EAC? Oh,
Mukhang magta-time out, Anton.
Another service ace.
eto, nag-iisip si Coach.
Ayaw pa. Isa pa. Isang side out pa.
Tulis ng serve na yun. Grabe. Okay, let's see. Jen Omapas. Oh, yun lang. Yun lang.
Sasabihin ko sana, Anton. Kasi yung Mapas nagbigay ng spark this set pa.
Yeah.
Pero mukhang napati.
Substitution. Substitution for Arellano.
And now,
Number
Coach
8,
Rod
Adina for
Palmero.
number 2.
Changing personnel.
And for EAC, number 4, De Andres for
Whoa.
number 2.
Both
Serving now
setters
for
are
the
in.
Alon
Magnai and De
Padilla.
Andres. Interesting. So parang dalawa yung libero sa likod ngayon.
Since yun naman yung kanyang first possession.
Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay.
Buhay pa ang EAC dito. They've been serving well. They've been attacking well. You see, Anton, kung kanina pa nila ginawa to.
19, serving 20.
Diba? Mas macha-challenge sila yung Arellano.
I like the chess match going on. Si Coach Obet, pinasok niya yung captain and service specialist Kagikla. And then Coach Rod putting the backup setter who's originally a libero. So dalawa sila ni Garcia. De Guzman. Oh!
Point for the ladies.
Good thinking there by De Guzman. Actually, kainin niya pa rin ginagawa to na kahit isa lang yung blocker niya, kina-cut shot niya lang yung bola.
Grabe. Talagang Si Coach Obet saving that timeout. No need na magising ang kanyang mga manlalaro. Tiwala na
May
lang.
tiwala siya sa kanyang mga players.
Oh wait, what about this? Casey Adante, the graduating setter,
Substitution.
going to come in for the first time in this match. Wow, so dalawan silang setter. Chess match talaga. Sabi ni Coach Obet, sige, dalawa setter mo, Coach Rod. Ako rin.
Ready sila for defense.
So 4 setters on the floor, all in all. Oh! Alex Razonable rising up.
Razonable contributing at the back row. This time, in the front row naman.
Serving 21.
Kanina kasi, Anton, mga cross-court attacks ginagawa niya. Ngayon, puro down the line naman.
Alex Razonable, add to cart, check out. Puntos para sa EAC. Domasig. Tudlasan.
Tudlasan getting that point with the help of the blockers. Kung ginawa rin ni Razonable, gagawin din niya ni Tudlasan. Parang tinap nga lang niya yung bola eh. Like, hindi niya intention na ilagay sa loob ng court. Parang pinatama lang talaga niya sa hands ng blockers.
Alex Adante picks it up. Padillon. Buhay pa to. Razonable. Adante again. Moming. Oh, Villena has to set. Razonable.
Ooh, that's inside.
May
yeah.
check.
Yes. Razonable avoiding the libero of Aureliano here.
Substitution.
Targeting zone 6.
Grabe, busy-busy coaching staff ngayon. Omapas back on the floor for EAC. Si Omapas yung parang naging magic bunot ngayon.
I know. Huwag na natin ulit batiin.
Domasig. Oh!
Crucial error for Aureliano. It was actually a good pass. Maganda rin na nabigay ito ni Domasig, pero medyo nagkulang lang talaga. Siguro nagmadali lang din talo si Mangubat.
Oh my goodness. 22 all. Eto na. EAC trying to steal this one away. Yun lang.
Service error.
Again, service errors. Makakapagputol talaga ng momentum ni here.
Entering the match for Arellano, number 9, Magaling, and number 2, Tira. Now
Magaling.
serving, Maui Joyce Magaling.
Sabi kanina ni Coach Obet, yung pangalan mo, Magaling. Magaling.
Oo nga, no?
Eto na, ilabas na ang galing. Dito, late in set number 3, Razonable. Oh, what a pass.
I know.
What a pass by Ceballos. Parang nagbalay sa ere itong si Ceballos. What a pass.
Great target as well for Padillon. Mahirap talaga kunin yung mga high hands yun.
Okay, sa mabilis na atake lang. Pagka maganda ang bola, ha? Maganda, gap ang padaanin sa gap, ha? Coverage tayo, coverage. Okay. Okay, kaya pa yan. Dalawa lang.
Anton, di ba sabi ni Coach, padaanin sa gap. Before, no time ko, medyo matagal na rin kasi. Wala kaming ganong strategy. Ang nagiging advantage lang namin is ibabawan. Ngayon, may mga option na padaanin sa gap, padaanin sa kamay ng mga blockers. I mean, ang laki na rin talaga ng improvement. And just like that, Razonables attack, alam niya na walang blocker, hindi niya papaluin ng baon. Pero ilalagay niya lang ng cut shot na alam niya walang tao dun sa gitna.
Nakakarami rin yung EAC ngayon sa larong to.
Yes.
Sa gitna. At ayan na yung timeout na kanina pa nating inaabangan mula kay Coach Obet. Ginamit na niya.
I-quick mo si Sam. Ha? Ngayon, pag kinwick mo, huwag kang tumapat mismo sa ano. Tabigin mo rito. Patalunin mo. Yung mga ang ano mo. Pag nag-double block, gamitin mo yung blocker palabas.
And same with Coach Obet, yung sinabi niya na paluin mo sa labas. Diba? Sabi ko nga, Anton, kanina, hindi lahat kinukuha sa mga baon na palo, na talagang super lakas na palo, pero pwede mo gamitin yung kamay ng blockers. Kasi kumbaga doon, medyo easy point eh. Pero, hindi siya ganun kadali gawin.
First ball muna. Ayan, Domasig to Moming. Oh no! Not the best hit. Pero may panibagong pagkakataon. Cross court, Garcia was there. Another chance. Domasig on the drop. What a save. Tense moments. Tira-tira was there. Razonable. Back row again. Tira-tira!
What an attack by Tira-tira. Closing the set. And Domasig taking advantage of Tira-tira's strength. Alam natin na kayang-kaya niyang makapuntos agad dito.
What an ending. Domasig to Tira-tira. Rookie to rookie connection. And Arellano finally ends the match, taking the third set 25-23.